Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a keyframe in Moon Animator. To begin, locate the keyframe you want to remove on your animation timeline. Once you have precisely selected it, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. This action will immediately remove the keyframe from your animation. It is a quick and efficient way to adjust your animation, allowing for precise control over every movement and pose you create. Another effective method for removing a keyframe involves using the Moon Animators menu. Start by selecting the keyframe you intend to delete on your timeline. Then, move your cursor to the Edit option found at the top of the Animator window. From the menu that appears, simply click on Delete. This provides an alternative way to achieve the same result, offering flexibility in your workflow, especially if you prefer menu-based actions. Understanding how to identify keyframes is crucial before you delete them. In Moon Animator, keyframes appear as small, colored dots along your animation timeline. Most commonly, you will see blue dots, which represent your standard animation points. Occasionally, you might encounter red dots, which often indicate a currently selected keyframe or a specific property. Always ensure you are targeting the correct dot to avoid unintended changes to your animation. To ensure a smooth animation process, here are a few helpful tips for deleting keyframes. Always take a moment to confirm you have selected the exact keyframe you wish to remove. If you accidentally delete the wrong one, remember you can quickly undo your action by pressing Ctrl+Z. Furthermore, make it a habit to save your animation regularly. This practice will safeguard your progress and prevent any frustration from lost work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.